Mouth guards are designed to protect the teeth. Again, the brain is moving inside the skull. How can a device on your teeth prevent the brain from moving inside the skull? You just have to kind of think about that one logically to, have the idea that that's a pretty long shot. Now, interestingly, there's been studies that have shown that mouth guards are protective against concussion, but there's also been studies that show that they're not protective against concussion. So really at this point in time, the research is mixed. There was a meta-analysis that was done by Carolyn Emery's group out in Alberta. And what they did is looked at all the research that's been done on mouth guards and kind of put it all together into a meta-analysis. And what they found was actually there was a slight reduction in concussion risk when wearing mouth guards, but it was non-significant because the IRR value crossed 1, which means that some studies showed increased concussion risk, some studies showed decrease. The balance was on the decrease side, but it wasn't significant. So basically more research is needed with respect to mouth guards, still inconclusive. But again, just think about it logically. Something on the teeth, is that really going to dissipate the forces or reduce the acceleration of the brain inside the skull? I don't know.